Book of Heaven, Volume 11, April 2nd, 1913. The soul who does the will of God is the breath of Jesus. I was all afflicted because of the privations of my sweet Jesus. When Jesus came from behind my shoulders, he placed his hand on my mouth, moved the bed sheets away from me, which were so close as to prevent me from breathing freely, and then told me,
"My daughter, one who does my will is my breath, and since my breath contains all the breaths of creatures, I administer breath to all from within the soul who does my will. This is why I moved the bed sheets away. I too felt my breathing hampered."
and I, Jesus, what are you saying? Rather, I feel that you have left me and that you have forgotten everything, the many promises you made me. And he,
"My daughter, don't say this to me, for you offend me and force me to make you really feel what it means to be left by me."
then he added with an air which was all sweetness,
"One who does my will represents, vividly, the period of my life upon earth. While on the outside I appeared as a man, at the same time I was always the beloved son of my dear Father. In the same way, the soul who does my will has externally the skin of humanity, while inside there is my person, inseparable, just like me, in the love and in the will of the sacrosanct Trinity. So the divinity says, 'This is another daughter that we keep on earth. For love of her do we sustain the earth, because in everything she stands in for us.'